Salesforce Service Cloud Voice offers an intelligent call center agent feature set with built-in agent web phone inside the Salesforce pages. Agents can handle calls without leaving the Salesforce page and without installing any software on agent PCs. This solution is VDI compatible as well. In the background, Salesforce Service Cloud Voice uses Amazon Connect cloud telephony infrastructure. You can integrate your existing Cisco Call Manager with Amazon Connect via SIP using Comstice SIP Connector. You can send calls from Cisco Call Manager to Salesforce Service Cloud Voice, and Salesforce agents can transfer the calls back to Cisco Call Manager as well. If you have a Cisco UCCX or UCC already available, you can create a hybrid solution too. Some of your customer calls can be handled by your Finesse agents, and the others can be sent to Salesforce Service Cloud Voice agents. They can transfer the call back to each other too. Comstice offers a universal real-time dashboard and a historical reporting solution so that you can have a single reporting tool for both Cisco Call Center agents and Salesforce Service Cloud Voice agents. Comstice SIP Connector can also send Finesse call variables or Salesforce call attributes to the other side during the call transfers, along with the context information of the call. Finally, Salesforce agents can also use Cisco Call Manager web phone browser extension as their personal phone line. All the inbound and outbound calls will go through your existing PSTN SIP trunks, so there is no number portability needed. Check out Comstice SIP Connector use cases for Cisco Call Manager and request a callback.